Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Tiny Adventures here, and today we are in Flicker. It is my first time playing this game, so I'm not really sure how it works, but the description of the game says flick when the lights go out and something I forgot. I shouldn't forget that part, but like I forget stuff. Regular. Touch to join the queue for regular servers. And the classic, okay, I'm not allowed to do that. Let's go to regular. Okay. So, we have to wait for 15 players. Okay, we have enough players. Alright, we have to wait. Okay, I'm not very good at waiting. Okay, 5 more seconds to go. 1 second left. Oh, okay, so we're waiting. Oh, okay. So, map voting. I'm gonna vote the sewers then. Ew, that's disgusting. You see that green goop? Okay, so. Oh, no, not this. So, I'm not really sure what they mean by select character type. I'm just gonna say question mark because I'm confused. Okay, so, I think this is the introduction. So, you are Physic. You are the part of the good team. Okay, I'm Physic. I'm Melody. Oh, look at my face. Okay, how, I can't scroll in. I'm just gonna follow these people. In this game, there's a good and bad side, and I'm on the good side. Your goal is to eliminate the other side. When the lights flicker, some of you will fall. Uh-oh. Good luck, you'll need it. Yeah, I will need it because it is my first time, and I am drowning in the poop. So, Flower Nugget here? What do you mean? Who's on good team? I'm gonna say me and you. And recording. And reporting. Okay, I was tagged. Click, no, not me, no. Was it me? You can hear commotion around you. Okay. Okay, so our goal is to eliminate the evil team. And, okay, am I dead? I feel like something is happening. If this is a jump scare, I'm just gonna freak out. It's gone silent. Flick. Uh-oh. Flick. Uh-oh. Oh no! Okay, phew. Dance party. Why are you dancing? Some of us is gonna get eliminated. No! Oh, she drowned? Well, I mean, this is why I hate the sewers. We couldn't find... Oh no. That's scary. I'm gonna look away. Okay, so 2 people were drowned and they couldn't find their journal. Oh my gosh, this game. Okay, so 3 people. Okay, so 2 people drowned and 1 person was stuck in an awkward position. And okay, so we're supposed to discuss who may be evil. Alright, so I'm gonna say I'm not evil. I'm on the good team, guys. If I was a live stream, I would probably like tell them, hey, watch my video. You can see that I'm good. Okay, so we have Cray. I feel like you're evil because, like, I mean, not judging from appearance, but you're just like standing here looking at her. Are you just feeling bad for her? Because if you are, I totally understand, but like, I feel like Jane is because she's running away. Or he. Are you a he or she? I'm not sure. You're running away, so I think you're evil. I'm gonna say, I think Jane is evil. Jane is evil. Okay, I'm not judging from appearance or anything. I'm not judging. Why the camera pointing at Jane is, I think Jane is evil. Sorry, Jane. Because you kept on running away, and that was a kind of... Oh. Oops. Austin had the most votes. How are we supposed to figure out who is guilty? I mean, we couldn't find Austin's journal. We're supposed to have a journal? Oh, here's my journal. Hello. Hello. I don't know what to write. And, oh, that's the journal. Okay, that's the note. How do I put this away? Okay. Oh no, I'm gonna be eliminated. Power disconnected. Okay, so I was not eliminated, but I feel like, okay, so nobody got eliminated. Okay. Austin was brought back to life, and Jane did say that she could bring people back to life. So I feel like Jane did that. So I'm gonna just assume that Jane's not evil. I'm sorry, Jane. I was making wrong assumptions, but I thought it was just kind of suspicious that you kept running away from me. I know I kind of look creepy in a way, but I swear this is not a dance party. Okay, so we are going to vote. I'm gonna pick Trey because he wasn't with the crowd. And again, I feel like that's kind of suspicious, but in a way, Jane is kind of still hiding. So I'm gonna try not to make wrong assumptions. But I am not the evil person because I'm new to this game, and you can literally see a good team. Okay, so it says time passes by, and what next? I'm just running around. Uh-oh, click. I'm probably gonna be eliminated. Wait, so last time they didn't have... Okay, so there's only... I feel like I'm gonna be eliminated. Why can't we just remove, okay, so I feel like Trey, yep, we removed Trey, I think. I didn't pick my name, guys. I think they assigned the random names. I'm not gonna move because I feel like if you move around, you have a bigger chance of being eliminated. Something is happening. It's gone silent. Yeah, it is. I lowered my volume. Yes, I didn't get eliminated. Flick. Oh no. Wait. Where's Jane? Where's Jane? Where's Jane? No. Okay, so I did not... Okay, so... Yeah, so Jane was pretty nice, and I did make a wrong assumption about her. So I do feel like I'm pretty guilty, but I'm good. Wait, I feel like Austin's okay, I'm not gonna make wrong assumptions, but it's either one of you guys, I'm innocent. Well, they don't know that. You can't just say you're innocent and then everyone believes you. You know the evil person's probably lying right now, so yeah, I'm gonna hide. Bye. Actually, no, they're gonna think it's suspicious. Actually, I'm kind of bored. I'm just running around. I'm going to remove Siberia. Actually, okay, so Austin was brought back to life by Jane, I assume. But Jane didn't bring the other two people back to life. I mean, 3 people. So that's kind of strange, but I'm gonna just pick Austin. Uh-oh. Bye-bye. Okay, so it's just me in Siberia. I'm Asian. Tags, tags, tags. Oh, okay, well that doesn't tell us anything. Yay, we're good! Celebrate! Okay, so that is... That's nice, I guess. Anyways, guys, that concludes our videos. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.